recording.
So I'm not sure how much this is going to show up on camera. But I got the new El Paso windscreen from Memphis Shades. Makes a huge difference in terms of how much wind is hitting my helmet. Right now at 45, I literally feel nothing. Like my upper body, even my hands, it really surprises me. Like it pushes out. I gotta move my hands about 4 inches out before I start to feel the wind. So that's fantastic. But as I get up above 60, it literally feels like someone's playing the drums on top of my head. It's like rap, 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 rap. I get a very, very distinct buffeting. So I'm not sure if that means I should have went like an inch higher, or if I need to add a little windscreen on top to break up some of that buffeting. I actually have these mounted on the forks, so I could come up about another inch. I only pushed it down that far because it fit perfectly on top of the headlight cowl there. But I may try to bring that up an inch and see if it makes a difference. Because if I shrink down to about right here, now this is clearly not the right windscreen location though, then I have no wind hitting the top of my head. But you're not supposed to actually go that far. You're not supposed to, the top of the windshield should not be lower than the bridge of your nose. Or should be lower than the bridge of your nose, should not be higher. So, I don't know. First time I've ridden this bike with the windshield, and wow, does it ever feel different. The big thing I like about the Memphis Shades is that with just 2 little thumb screws there, I can take it off, and then I could go riding during the nice months without having any windshield on. Or they make smaller ones that you can put on so you can change them out with the same mounting kit. It literally takes like, 20 seconds you could have the windscreen off, so that's cool. I saw that on Great Egret's channel. He put one on his Iron 883, and so I thought that was super cool. And you can see right now it's about 42 degrees, I think, but the windshield, I'm fine with my normal gear. Like if I would have done this before, I would have been okay with my gear, but I would have definitely felt the cold. This, I feel like I could ride all day. I feel like I have no problem riding this at all now. So that's pretty cool for me. I could actually see myself riding in colder weather now. So kind of neat. So right now I'm at 60 and I'm just starting to feel that hitting on top of my head. If I sit up straighter, I feel it more. If I scrunch down, I feel it less. So I feel like I'm right at that bubble. Or maybe if I rise it up an inch, it'll make a difference. So maybe I'll try that and ride it again tomorrow. If the weather's good. Today we have a little break in the weather. You can see the snow on the side. Saturday I had 13 inches of snow at my house. Today it's all gone. Crazy weather. So that's it. I just figured since this came in, I really wanted to get out and test it and see if I could handle colder weather, and it looks like I definitely could. Even my hands feel better, so kind of cool. Thanks, Memphis Shades.